If these devices are truly able to perform the functions of a personal assistant, understand context, anticipate user actions, and interact with the surrounding world, this will become one of the most significant technological shifts of recent decades. Within the industry, there is already talk that in the future, people will interact not with devices, but with a unified digital agent that will accompany them throughout their lives. This agent will know habits, preferences, goals, and even the emotional state of the user, adapting to them and helping make decisions. And if this concept is realized, smartphones in their current form may indeed fade into the past, giving way to more advanced and natural forms of interaction. Thus, the XAI project is not just another device on the market, but an attempt to change the very logic of human interaction with technology. And although its realization is still far away, it is already clear that the race for the future of personal devices has officially begun. And in this race, not only companies will participate, but entire technological ecosystems, each trying to become the foundation of a new digital reality.